Craving taco night, but looking for a massive plant-based upgrade? Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Today we are transforming a simple block of tofu into the most savory, crumbly ground beef taco meat you will ever taste. It has the perfect meaty texture, it is packed with bold spices, and it comes together in no time. Whether you're meal prepping or just need a quick weeknight dinner, you are going to love this. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 450 grams of extra firm tofu, which is like 1 pack of tofu, 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And then 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And then for the taco, you'll need tortillas, some red onion, cheese of your preference, and hot sauce, and then any other taco toppings you like. So like sour cream, or lettuce, or anything else. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we're gonna make our paste for our tofu. So we have our tamari, and our olive oil, our nutritional yeast, our garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder. And then I'm going to whisk this. And this is what will give the tofu the meat-like smoky flavor. So now our paste is ready, so we'll work on the tofu now. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure all the liquid is out of the tofu. So I have this tofu press that I use to get the liquid out. I've kept it in the fridge for a few hours. You can also do it overnight. And this just helps press the liquid out. It's very important that you get most of the liquid out of the firm tofu because otherwise it just won't adhere. The paste won't adhere to the tofu and it won't turn out crumbly. So I also like to use, even though most of the liquid is out, I also like to use a paper towel or a towel to squeeze it. So if you don't have a press, you just have to use a towel to get all the excess moisture out. Just press it nicely. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, so now I'm going to take my tofu and start creating. I'm gonna have my bowl here with my paste inside, and I'm gonna start crumbling the tofu into the paste. You just want it to be like ground beef texture, I guess, crumbled. That's why I like to use extra firm tofu because this won't work with soft tofu. So you just keep doing this until you have all your crumbles in there. Okay, now that I've crumbled all the tofu, I'm gonna start mixing it to make sure the paste is well incorporated. Get all that flavor in there. And then once you feel like it's all well incorporated, I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes to marinate a little bit. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, and so after your tofu's been marinating for a few minutes, grab a sheet tray, and I like to line mine with parchment paper so it's less messy. And I'm just gonna coat the sheet tray evenly. You don't want it too bunched up because that's what makes it crispy, if it's just one layer. So I spread it all out, all the way to the edges. Thin layer as possible. And then once you have it all on the sheet tray, we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I usually start with like 22 minutes and then I check it and see how crispy we're getting. It depends if you want it like softer or crispier. So I would check it after like 20 to 22 minutes. I usually leave it in for like 26 minutes though, because I like it crispier. All right, so we're ready to put this in the oven. And I forgot to mention, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, because there's already olive oil in the mixture, but just to make it crispier. Okay, so now our tofu ground beef is ready. I cooked it around 24 minutes. And it's perfectly crispy on top and delicious. And so now we're ready to make our taco. Okay, so now I'm over by the stovetop. I'm gonna heat up my tortilla. I always use the Siete brand almond flour tortilla. So I'm gonna turn the heat on, spray some oil, put my tortilla down. I'm just gonna let this heat up for a little bit. Okay, after a few 30 seconds or so, I'm gonna add my cheese, and I like to add it like all around. This is just the way I make my tacos. First, I'm gonna let the cheese melt, and then we'll go from there. Okay, and now that the cheese is pretty much melted, I'm gonna turn the heat off. I just wanna be able to have a little bit of brown on the other side and be able to bend it. And then I'm gonna add some of my ground beef on top. And I'm gonna add some onion and green chili. And this is just the way I like my taco. You can add whatever you would like that goes well with what ground beef goes well with. So sometimes I add sour cream and lettuce, but today we're just adding this. And then I'm gonna add some hot sauce after I take it off the heat. And there you have it, tofu ground beef tacos that completely hit the spot. All right, so now I'm going to try it. I'm gonna put my favorite hot sauce on top and squeeze a little lime. And take a nice bite. Smoky, perfectly cooked and delicious. If you loved this delicious twist on a classic, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes every single week. Let me know down in the comments what your absolute favorite taco topping is, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!